In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add canned responses in Freshdesk so your team can respond to tickets quickly using pre-written templates. Setting up canned responses can significantly enhance your team's efficiency and ensure consistency in your customer support communications. Let's dive into the process. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Freshdesk account as an administrator. It's crucial to have the right level of access to make these changes, so make sure you're signed in with the correct credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the admin section. You'll find this by looking for the gear icon, which typically signifies settings across most platforms. From here, go to Agent Productivity and then click on Canned Responses. This is where all the magic happens. If you want to keep things neat and organized, consider creating a new folder for your templates. This step is optional, but if your team plans to create a variety of canned responses, having separate folders might help in quickly locating the right response when needed. To do this, click on New Folder, enter a name that's descriptive of the content it will hold, and hit Create. By doing this, you're setting up a streamlined workflow for your team. Now, you're ready to create a new canned response. Click on New Canned Response. If you've already created folders, choose the folder you'd like this response to reside in. If not, you can either create the response in the main area and shuffle it into a folder later if needed. Next comes the heart of the setup, filling in the details of your canned response. Start by entering a title. This is for quick identification, so use something that is clear and immediately indicates what the response is about. Following that, jump down to the message body. Here, you'll type out the actual content of the response. Make sure it's thorough and accurately conveys the information you want your clients to receive. To take your canned response up a notch, utilize the green plus icon. This allows you to insert placeholders for dynamic content, such as /ticket ID or /requester name. These placeholders ensure each response feels personal and directly addresses the inquiry, enhancing the customer experience. The last important step is setting the visibility of your canned response. You have several options here. If you want the response to remain private and only visible to you, select Myself. However, if you aim for a collaborative approach and want every agent on the team to access these responses, opt for All Agents. There's also an option to make the response visible to specific groups only, which is great for teams handling specialized queries. Finally, make sure you select the appropriate destination folder to keep everything organized. Then, simply click Save. And there you go, you've created a canned response. Implementing these steps will significantly boost the efficiency of your team and ensure that your customer support communications remain consistent and professional.